Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Meet the Fox Zero. Meet the Fox Zero. So today I'm not going to be playing Animal Jam, which I usually do, but today I'm actually going to be showing you a cool website. It's actually really fun. So search up cat games on like this E thing right here, or Google or Chrome, you know, it will work either way. It's really cool. I like it. And it says cat games free online, cat games for girls. And yeah, I've been playing this website ever since like I was a little girl. It's actually really fun. I like it. And it's not just cats, like it can be other games too. Like there's dress up, there's, yeah, I clicked on dress up, so like they have some pretty like good ones. Like they have dress up, beauty, cooking, animals, and more if you want. But what's this right here? Okay, yeah, this is what I was looking for. This game is actually super duper fun. My favorite one, I guess, is either this one or this one. So I'm gonna pick this one. The Christmas one's actually really fun. It's a Christmas game. Like there's 3 types. There's one in New York, one at the beach, and one with Christmas. And I'm gonna play with the one at Christmas, even though it's not Christmas, but it doesn't matter if it's not or not. Yeah, I'm just gonna play it because this game is actually really fun. I was obsessed with this game whenever I was a little girl. And these ads pop up before you start playing, so you can just watch them. Sorry if you hear noise in the background. There's TV going on. My house is kind of loud right now. Yeah, and the ads are pretty long, but by the way, I don't think you can skip them. You just gotta watch it. And I forgot if I can make this bigger, but I don't think I can. But I'm gonna add a star to this game. Never mind. Oh. Okay. Oh, I think it. Wait, hold on. Oh, I clicked on the wrong game. Wait, did I? Hold on, let's check. Yeah, I clicked on the wrong game. Okay, there's 2 types of games like these. There's like one you can decorate a room and stuff, but Shopaholic New York is actually really fun, so I'm just gonna click that one because there's also a Christmas one of Shopaholic, but I don't know where that one is. I thought that was that game, but I guess I'm gonna watch New York. I guess I'm gonna. There's like Shopaholic Paris and Hollywood. I never knew there's a Hollywood one. Oh, this is the Christmas one. Shopaholic Christmas. This one's actually super duper fun. Sorry, I keep on clicking games. I found the one that I want to play. This game's so fun. I love it. My god, I spent 3 minutes, almost 4, talking. I didn't even get to start playing a game yet. Well, yeah, this game, it's actually really easy to get to. I'm not gonna lie. Wow, such fake. But you know what, that actually makes me hungry right now, to be honest. I want to eat that. Like, take it away from those children. Okay. Okay, I finished downloading. And by the way, you can't make this bigger. You have to leave it the way it is. I know, I'm sorry, but you'll get used to it if you play this game a lot. So, I'm gonna click a new game, because I think I already continued this game. And that was like a long time ago, so. Yeah, you get to pick the person that you want to be, and I want to be her. She's the prettiest. My name, I'm gonna say I'm not gonna say my real name. I'm just gonna say Meet Fox Zero. This is not actually my real age, but I'm just gonna say 15. Shop. Okay, so these are the people. They just walk around. Sometimes you can get coins off the streets. It's actually pretty cool. Right now, I have $400. I can go shopping if I want. This game is seriously a shopaholic game. I love it so much, and I'm actually a shopaholic in real life. If you guys don't know that, well, now you do. I'm actually a shopaholic. Just kind of bad, you know, but I just love shopping so much. So I might get Bits hairstyle. Let's see how this looks. I don't want the big one. I think I want this one. Yeah, see, I bought it. See, now some of my money went away. So, oops, clicked on it again, back. And you can just keep on going to shops. It's actually really funner than it looks. If you do not like shopping, then I don't think this game's kind of for you. But if you don't like shopping in real life, but you like shopping on games, yeah, that's also cool. Yo. I want this orange purse. That looks pretty cool. And I want like these shoes right here. I like those red ones. These are pretty cool. These are like goth clothes. Even though they're goth clothes, they're still pretty. I like this one. Bye. I don't know which one to get. I guess I'll just get this green one. That one looks pretty cool. Okay, so I haven't caught any money yet because, you know, I haven't found any on the street. And that's like really the only way. You have to find it on the street. That's the only way how you get money. And I'm almost broke. That's bad. I'm like running out. I know because I keep on spending, but it's so fun. I want this hat. My god, this dress is beautiful. Guys, it's beautiful. I'm getting golden. Oh my gosh, I'm down. No, I clicked. Okay, I'm back to it. Okay, guys, I'm down to $80. That's not that much. And for a kid in real life, that's a lot. But like, for me on this game, honey boo boo. Okay, so no, I can't pay for any of it. It's only this and that. But oh my god, I think I'm about to die. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go find some money on the streets. Oh my god, that sounds so sad. Sometimes I think you can get money from Santa, but so how you see money is there's coins on the street. There's like a bag full of coins. It's like a brown bag. So comment down below if you see a brown bag that I did not see. Oh my god, that was a gift. That was a gift. Gifts also appear. See, now I got more money. I think gifts can sometimes be other things too. Like, okay, so far I found a gift, not a bag. It's okay. Or the bag might be on the New York one. I don't know. I used to like the New York one a lot when I was little, but I don't know. I think I'm just like starting to like this one or the beach one a little bit better. But the beach one, it's a little bit different, to be honest. You have to get a job and work, and then you can go shopping. It's kind of cool, but it's a lot of work, actually. It takes a while. Like, if you want to find a game to play for hours because you're so bored, that game is the right game to play. Why have I not found anything? Only, what's this? Shopping decorations. Ad. Oh my god. I swear they put ads on everything. I just hate it. No one cares. Awesome. I don't even play with toys anymore. I'm growing up too fast. So anyways, yeah, just comment down below if you see a gift that I have not seen, or a brown big bag. I don't know. I can't see it. But since I can't find anything, I'm just might as well go to the shop, you know, not waste time. Let's go back because those clothes were kind of ugly. These ones are actually pretty cool. I think I like this. I like that black one. Okay, I bought so many things. Let's go check it out. Let's go to my person and decorate. Yeah, okay. Got that purse. I want to see what I can wear first. Okay, so I guess I can wear this. No, I didn't even finish. What just? Oh my god! I seriously just watched this ad. That's just so dumb and stupid. Oh my god. I'm like getting mad right now, to be honest, because not my game, because of these ads. That is true though. Whenever you play an online game, you do get kind of a lot of ads. You know what? Let's dress up in the Christmas spirit. I guess that's the Christmas spirit. So yeah, guys. Okay, so let's go back to shopping. I don't know what I clicked. Yeah, let's go try to find some more money. A gift for a bag. They usually put a lot out. Oh my god, a gift! Yes. Oh my god, I just love that noise. Ting! Like the money noise, you know. Okay. Why is it so laggy? Come on! Do I have enough for a pet? I probably don't, yeah. I'm gonna get a pet next once I have a lot of money. Or like at least 100. Dang, these people are greedy. They aren't giving me money. I think Santa only gives me money. Yes, thank you, Santa. I think it's you. Just let me search for the tree and then I'll go all the way back and then I will get my pet. Okay, good. Now let's go all the way to the pet shop. Guys, comment down below if I missed the gift box. I seriously don't know because I was just watching TV right now. Sorry if I'm quiet sometimes. And now let's try to find the pet. Oh, I passed it. Oh my god, that very scary. And that gremlin, and that Santa. Who would want those things? I want a deer, okay? I'm gonna have a deer. Okay guys, I bought it. Woo-hoo. So now let's go to my person. I'm pretty sure I can have instead of him or her. Yay, I got a pet. I'm so rich. Okay, to be honest, wait, where are my shoes? Where are my shoes? I bought some shoes. I swear.